ஹாய் கைஸ், நம்ம வந்துட்டு காஃபி பிளான்டேஷன் டூருக்கு வந்திருக்கோம். இங்கே வந்துட்டு காஃபி எப்படி மேக் பண்ணுறாங்க, அப்புறம் அதர் ஸ்பைசஸ் எல்லாம் இவங்க என்ன வச்சுருக்காங்க எல்லாமே எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுவாங்க. லாஸ்ட்டில் வந்துட்டு காஃபி டேஸ்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் சாம்பிள் கொடுப்பாங்க. டேஸ்ட் பண்ணி பார்ப்போம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு.
So it's a plantation too. It took minimum 30 to 45 minutes. So we're gonna provide a detailed explanation about coffee, pepper, spices, foods like that. And after ending our tour also, we're offering a filter coffee for tasting session also. First of all, is it okay? Yes. It's a per person 200 rupees charges will be there. After the tour only the payment and everything. Main thing, our entire tour like a more theory, little bit practical like also. Quiz type also. I'm gonna ask you some questions also. Is it okay? And I'll give you the clues also, okay?
These are strict principles.
What is the winner prize?
Winner prize.
And extra
gets
coffee.
Extra coffee also. Okay. Okay, so we can start. We can start. So, estate is about completely. We have a 22 acres, and we have a 16,000 plus coffee plants are there. So behind those are all the coffee plants. So it's a plant or it's a tree? Which one? Plant or tree?
Plant.
Tree. Which one? Maybe.
Mix.
Okay. So coffee looks like a plant. Exactly, coffee looks like a plant, but actually coffee is not a plant. Coffee is a tree actually. So coffee tree always grow too taller. But if it grows like a too taller, production will go to decrease. Second part, the plucking will be difficult. That's why only we are trimming the upper parts of all coffee tree. That's why only if you go anywhere also all coffee tree, this much will be there because we are cutting and we are maintaining actually. So coffee is not a plant, coffee is a tree. Next, if you smell any coffee seed, whether it's a ripe, unripe, whether it's a dried coffee seed, if you smell, coffee smell comes or not?
No.
So actually, if you smell any coffee seed, whether it's a ripe, unripe, whether it's a dried, also no coffee smell, nothing will be there. So when the coffee smell will come?
After roasting?
Yes, after the roasting only the coffee smell and flavor will comes. Otherwise there is nothing. So next thing, all the coffee tree they have 1,000 varieties also there. All the variety they have multiple seeds will be there. So multiple sweet cherries or sour cherries. You can do that. So which cherry you like, sweet or sour? Sweet. But unfortunately these are all sour taste cherry actually. So these are all called Barbados cherries. The main purpose of Barbados cherries, we are making a lot of pickle and wines also from the Barbados cherries. Pickle and wines like that. Actually, every year throughout the year, the tours will come actually. It's an advantage. So here the birds actually. So these are all the birds actually, okay? So always this is the maximum size of the chili. Only this much will be there. But never grows like a bigger size, but 2 times more spicy will be there. So these are all birds actually. So if you trim the lower branches, all the nutrition spread into the older branches, then we can expect more production. So because of the higher production, we are trimming the lower branches for all Amla tree, especially in poor quality. So anyone likes to taste the green coffee we seed? Okay, so here these are all the green coffee seeds, okay? Don't eat, okay? Just taste it only.